Hey, it's Dickey from Hair Rules. So here's an interesting one. I'm also stuck at the same length. I'm a 3C, 4A. I'm starting to want to wear my hair straight, but I don't want to lose my curls. How often can I silk press without losing curls, my curl pattern? My crown barely curls. How can I make them pop? If your crown barely curls, then it's probably a frizzier texture, or that's your different texture in that area. Add more conditioner, apply more styling product to hair that's wetter in that area. And that's okay if you want to start wearing your hair straight. Just FYI, wash and go styling done frequently or the right way helps to promote straight styling, silk press. And I really hate that term, silk press, because all it is a blow dryer and a comb attachment and a flat iron. And how you prevent heat damage from being able to have versatility in your natural hair, because you should, is that you are ultra hydration method is a wash and go style. Make no mistakes about that. And you also get cute out of a wash and go style, as well as healthy hair. And what that does is that it just simply leaves your hair softer, more moisturized, which leaves your hair shiny and gives it more flexibility, so it goes back to its natural state. After you blow dry it with a comb attachment on this soft, beautiful, healthy, curly hair that you've been doing wash and go styling on. You also don't need excessive heat when you do wash and go styles when you blow drying your hair, because your hair is left softer, right? It straightens easier, it has more flexibility. I don't suggest doing a press on natural hair more frequently than twice a month, like every 2 weeks, in order to not loosen your curl pattern. You do it because you can, not because you have to. You do it because you love versatility, not because you dislike your hair texture. I hope this helps.